Consumers expect hygienically flawless products, whether food, hygiene products and pharmaceuticals. The formation of biofilms and deposits must be avoided at all costs, because spoiled and microbiological contaminated products can have a harmful effect on the body. Therefore, attention must be paid to hygiene, proper handling of raw materials and the cleaning of system and system components. Not to forget is the costs for companies due to recalls with loss of sales and damage to image due to the contaminated products. And another factor is an energy efficient cleaning process reduces the costs and supports the sustainability. Plant operators have various options to clean their production facilities. One common method is the clean-in-place CIP process, in which cleaning solutions are automatically circulated through pipes, containers and other systems to remove residues. This process enables efficient cleaning without disassembly. Plant operators must ensure by that the CIP process is efficient and time-saving in order to minimize the downtime and reduce resources loss due to excessive use of water, energy and cleaning agents. And so the validation of the cleaning process and the compliance with strict hygiene regulations are key challenges to ensure the quality of the goods produced. Implementing comprehensive CIP monitoring software is an advanced solution to successfully overcome the challenges of cleaning production facilities and maximize the efficiency of CIP process. ProLeiT CIPoptimize from ProLeiT provides plant operators with an overview of the cleaning performed, and it can be used to evaluate the performance and quality of existing CIP systems, track quality deviations over time, or benchmark performance against a predefined golden reference.